problem, so bear with my hair. With this hair color right now. So, susubukan natin gamitin ang sariling wika. So ngayon, ang hirap. So gagawin natin ngayon actually is will be unboxing this kisuyaon mga kasi kay gitara ako. So one of my colleague actually bought this one and then kasi gitara ako so bumili rin ako. So ayun is ano natin we'll be unboxing this and we'll test if okay ba yun, no, okay ba itong condenser nito, my condenser. Okay, subukan natin and then I'll let you know, I'll show to you if maganda yung kalalabasan. Watch. Assemble, okay, the mic condenser. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we inserted already the microphone, so instead of using this one, ito lang ginamit ko, okay? So, i-insert natin yung foam. So, this is the mic. Would actually look like if, nalagyan na siya ng foam. Okay, balik natin, i-insert natin. Okay, like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, lagyan natin yung wire ng mic. Okay. So, ito. Ito lang. Easy. Insert lang. Tapos, yan. Diyan na siya. This one, lagay natin. Ito yung parang sala ng ating boses. Here, okay, yung tagasala ng ating boses para maging maganda yung boses natin. Ilalagay natin siya dyan. Ito yung power. Feeling ko singer na ako. Okay.
test. So shout out to the Joshua Lumapaz. So thank you so much for subscribing.
Hello everyone. So again, this is Tita M. So this is our like the output, no? Pag ginagamit natin tong mic condenser. So ito yung maririnig yun na boses ko with this mic condenser with of course foam and this pop filter. So titingnan natin kung anong boses natin kung walang pop filter. Hello everyone. So parang okay lang naman, no? Kung walang pop filter. So kukunin natin na naman yun ulit yung ano, not ulit but yung foam niya. Titingnan natin. Saglit lang ha, kukunin ko lang tong pop filter. So tingnan natin. Let's listen. Hello everyone. Parang maganda talaga yung boses ko, no? Kahit ordinary microphone probably. So parang hindi na kailangan yung mic condenser. So, I hope that we were able to determine yung the difference nung paggamit ko ng mic condenser. So, thank you so much guys. Thank you. So ulitin. So, for those who really want to test their products, okay? So, you can message me and send your product to me so that I can air it here in my vlog. And at saka yung may gustong pa-sponsor dyan, shout out ko. By the way, for those who really want to purchase also this mic condenser, you may contact me as well. I can give you a discount because I have a friend who's selling mic condenser. It's very, very affordable. No, you just message me if you really love to. Okay, so next vlog, I'll be using this mic condenser and I'll be singing a song. So watch. So thank you so much once again, and please do share, like, and then subscribe. Please naman, okay? Para sa ekonomiya na ni, okay? So by the way, so again, thank you so much, guys. I thank you, friends, for sharing your time with me. And again, this is Tita M's serving you.